Assalamualaikum my dear students. Today I am going to explain a very important question of division, that x raised power 4 minus y raised power 4 divided by x minus y. Why it's very important? Because here it's not a proper descending order form. Mean here the first term is x raised power 4. According to descending order, that we need the next term is equal to x cube y, then x square, then xy cube, then y raised power 4. So this type of the question you have to solve. How to solve? I explain that. First, as you knew that the first term make the equal with the first. Here, how much difference of that? 4, and here 1. Difference of x cube. So we will write here x cube and x cube multiply by with first x minus y. Multiply by x minus y. X minus y. So what we are getting the answer? The answer is that x raised power 4 and minus second multiply by first x cube. So x cube y. Right? So the first term is that same x cube, x raised power 4, x raised power 4 minus x cube y. You have write it separately. According to the rule of division, we have to subtract the second polynomial, but in algebra the second polynomial sign will be changed. Here plus, so change into minus, and here minus, change into plus. The first term always be cancelled. In such a way we have to multiply the first term. The next term you have don't write y raised power 4. We have to write the x highest power, that is this one. So we will write that x cube y, positive sign, right? This term, that is minus y raised power 4, if you will write, but little gap. Why? Because the gap due to will fill that this place. Okay, because this term is also coming down. This step is also coming down. So now again, the first term you will write that plus sign. So what's here? At this time, as you can see that one, here the difference of that one. If there is a field difficulty, then you can write like that in the two steps. Then x cube y divided by its first term x, then what we will get the answer? Here x cancel, x square y. And when multiply x square y by x minus y, then what we will get the answer? When we will multiply by the first term, so the answer is x cube y. And when we will multiply by the second term, so what we will get the answer? Because the y variable having the same base, minus x square and y square. Because the y have the same power, that's why we have to add its exponent. So write it here. First we will write the quotient. What is the quotient? We have x square y. And we will also knew that we are going right or wrong, because here x cube, then after the next term x square, then the next term must be x, and the y power is 2. So x cube y, x cube y minus x square y square. That's why I create the gap of this one. Okay. Second term, change the sign polynomial. Second polynomial, we will change the sign. First cancel. So it's coming down. What is the remainder? X square, y square. X square, y square. when I'm writing x square y square, here is also coming y square, here is also y square, and here y square, and here y cube. How can I knew that one? Because in the previous term I am having x square y square. Now according to rule, x variable power decrease and y variables increase, must be increase. So xy cube. So we have to write it here, x square y square, same minus xy cube. And here what we have to write that one, xy square. As you knew that one, here x is descending at x cube, x square, then x. The next term is not having x. The y1, then y square, the next term is y cube we required. We will check. Sign change, cancel. What's here? X, y cube, and this term again coming down. Same minus y exponent 4. As you can see that one, x and x same, so y cube we required. Mean if we will multiply y cube with x, so we will get the first term same. So here we will write that plus y cube. So when multiply y cube with x minus y, then what we will get the result? The result is that xy cube and minus same, plus minus y into y cube. So y raised power or y exponent 4. So xy cube minus y exponent 4. After that, change the sign. This will be cancelled and this also will be cancelled. So that is our final answer. What is our answer? Because here reminder is 0, that is our answer. That is a quotient. Right? In the same way, I want to give you assignment that see this question, same to same, little bit change of this question and you will solve. Yes, my dear, your assignment is that I do not want to change because here x raised power 4 and y raised power 4. You have to write x raised power 3 minus y raised power 3 divided by x minus y. Same. And one more, you have to solve to be perfection. If x raised power 5 minus y raised power 5 divided by x minus y, then what we will get the result. Little bit change of this question, then more assignment is that the same number by changing their sign between them, like x cube plus y cube divided by x plus y, right? And one more challenging question is that x exponent 4 plus y exponent 4 divided by x plus y. It's same to same, just changing the sign. Okay, when changing the sign, so what's changed in the quotient? You have to solve. The fifth part also I will give you like that one by changing the sign. Okay, fifth part I am also giving. After that you will be perfect in division. Okay, the fifth part is that x exponent 5 plus y exponent 5 divided by x plus y. Start to solve this question and show me. That is your assignment. Okay? The first, here are nothing difficult, because here x raised power 4, y raised power 4, here I decrease one exponent, here I increase one exponent, but the order will be remain same. When you are finding its answer, here x raised power 4, its answer starting from x cube. When you are dividing by x cube, so starting answer x square. When you are dividing x5, starting answer x raised power 4, then x cube y, then x square y square, then x, like same descending order, you will get the answer. That is the same type of the question. So I give you assignment, solve like that. Thank you very much.